Sharks are among the most fascinating and feared creatures in the ocean, representing a diverse group of cartilaginous fish known for their sharp teeth, streamlined bodies, and incredible hunting abilities. They belong to the class chondriches, which also includes rays and skates, and they have been around for over 400 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Despite their fearsome reputation, sharks are essential to maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. This detailed description will explore their physical characteristics, species diversity, behavior, habitat, feeding habits, reproduction, sensory abilities, role in ecosystems, and conservation status. 1. Physical characteristics of sharks. Sharks are characterized by their cartilaginous skeleton, streamlined body, multiple rows of teeth, and unique sensory systems that make them highly efficient predators. They range in size from the dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 6 to 8 inches 15 to 20 centimeters long, to the whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean, which can grow up to 40 feet 12 meters or more in length. Cartilaginous skeleton. Unlike bony fish, sharks have a skeleton made of cartilage, which is lighter and more flexible than bone. This gives them the agility to swim quickly and change direction with ease, making them efficient hunters. Despite being lightweight, their cartilage is incredibly strong, providing the necessary support for their muscular bodies. Teeth and jaw. Sharks are perhaps most famous for their sharp teeth. Depending on the species, they can have different shapes, such as triangular, serrated teeth for tearing flesh, or needle-like teeth for gripping slippery prey. Sharks continually shed and regrow their teeth throughout their lifetime, with some species capable of losing and replacing thousands of teeth in their lifetime. This tooth regeneration ensures that they are always ready to hunt. The jaws of sharks are highly specialized and powerful. Their upper and lower jaws can move independently, and some sharks can extend their jaws outward to catch prey. This flexibility allows them to take on a wide range of prey, from small fish to large mammals. Fins. Sharks have several types of fins that aid in their movement and stability in the water. Dorsal fins on their back help maintain balance and prevent rolling. Pectoral fins on either side are used for steering and lift. Caudal fins. The tail fin provide thrust and are key for propulsion. Skin. A shark's skin is covered in tiny, tooth-like scales called dermal denticles or placoid scales, which help reduce drag and enable them to swim more efficiently. These denticles also make their skin rough to the touch, much like sandpaper. Point 2. Species diversity. There are over 500 species of sharks, and they can be found in almost every marine environment, from the deep ocean to shallow coastal waters. They vary significantly in size, behavior, diet, and habitat preferences. Some of the most well-known species include great white shark Carcharodoncoccarias, known for its size, power, and fearsome reputation. The great white shark is one of the ocean's top predators. They can reach lengths of up to 20 feet 6 meters and are found in coastal waters around the world. Hammerhead sharks. Sphyrnidae family, recognizable by their unique, hammer-shaped heads. These sharks use their wide heads to improve their sensory perception and hunting abilities. Tiger shark Galeocertocuvier, known for its distinctive vertical stripes and diverse diet, which includes anything from fish to sea turtles and even garbage, making it one of the ocean's most opportunistic feeders. Whale shark Rhynchodon typus, the largest shark and the largest fish in the world. Whale sharks can grow over 40 feet long. Despite their size, they are filter feeders, consuming plankton and small fish. Bull shark Carcharodontis lucas, one of the few species that can survive in both saltwater and freshwater. Bull sharks are aggressive and often found in rivers and coastal areas. 3. Habitat. Sharks are found in nearly all oceanic environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. Their habitats include coastal waters. Many species, like bull sharks and reef sharks, live near shorelines, coral reefs, and seagrass beds, where there is an abundance of prey. Open ocean. Some species, like the mako shark and great white shark, are pelagic and spend most of their time in the open ocean, far from land. Deep sea, certain species, like the goblin shark and cookie-cutter shark, are adapted to the deep ocean where light is scarce and pressures are extreme. Freshwater, a few species, such as the bull shark, can tolerate freshwater environments and have been found in rivers and lakes, such as the Amazon River and Lake Nicaragua, for behavior. Sharks are often solitary creatures, though some species, like hammerheads and whale sharks, are known to form schools or aggregations at certain times, such as during feeding or mating. Most sharks are highly mobile, with many species traveling great distances to find food or breeding grounds. Migration. Some sharks, like the great white and whale shark, are known for their extensive migratory patterns, traveling across entire oceans. These migrations are often linked to seasonal changes, food availability, or reproduction, hunting and feeding. Sharks are primarily carnivorous, feeding on a variety of prey, including fish, squid, crustaceans, marine mammals, and even other sharks. They are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their environments. Sharks utilize different hunting techniques depending on the species and their prey. Ambush predators like the great white often strike from below, using their speed and power to surprise prey. Filter feeders like the whale shark and basking shark swim with their mouths open, filtering plankton and small fish through specialized gill rakers. Scavengers like the tiger shark are known to eat a wide variety of food, including carrion and discarded human waste, giving them the nickname garbage cans of the sea. 5. Feeding habits. Sharks have varied diets depending on their species, and many are opportunistic feeders. Some common prey include fish. Many sharks, such as reef sharks, feed on smaller fish found in coastal areas or coral reefs. Marine mammals. Larger sharks like great whites prey on seals, sea lions, and dolphins. Plankton. Despite their massive size, whale sharks and basking sharks feed on tiny plankton by filtering seawater through their gills. Sharks have specialized digestive systems that allow them to survive on irregular feeding schedules. They can go for long periods without eating and store energy in their livers. 6. Reproduction. Sharks have 3 different modes of reproduction: oviparity, ovoviviparity, and viviparity. Oviparous species, such as the horn shark, lay eggs that are often encased in a protective shell. These eggs are left in crevices or hidden in the sand until they hatch. Ovoviviparous sharks, like the great white, retain eggs inside their body until they hatch. The young are born fully formed and ready to survive on their own. Viviparous sharks, such as the bull shark, give birth to live young that have been nourished inside the mother by a placenta, much like mammals. Depending on the species, female sharks may give birth to anywhere from 2 to 100 pups. Shark pups are fully independent from birth and must fend for themselves immediately. Sensory abilities. Sharks have incredibly advanced sensory systems that allow them to locate prey, avoid predators, and navigate their environment with precision. Electroreception. Sharks possess specialized organs called ampulla of Lorenzini, located around their snout, which detect the electrical fields produced by the muscle movements of other animals. This allows them to sense prey even when it is hidden beneath the sand or in murky water. Olfaction. Sense of smell. Sharks have an acute sense of smell and can detect blood or other scent molecules in the water from miles away. This makes them highly efficient hunters, even in vast ocean environments. Vision. Sharks have excellent low-light vision, which helps them hunt in dimly lit environments such as the deep sea or during nighttime hunting excursions. Their eyes are equipped with a reflective layer, called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their ability to see in low-light conditions. Lateral line system. Sharks also have a lateral line system, a series of sensory cells that run along the sides of their body. This system detects vibrations and movements in the water, allowing them to sense nearby animals or changes in water pressure.